Hi, I'm Larry Chandonnet, president of Sedan Machinery, and I'm here at Detailed Metals, another company I own, and wanted to show you the shop. First of all, we have some stock trim here. We do just primarily for the ag panel business that we will do leftovers from a job, that will make the stock or primary trims. We carry 1x4s for the residential roofs. Over here we have the spreader bar. That's how we pick up our long panels. We never drop them into a wheel well of a trailer. We always use the spreader bars with the straps. We get those from Ashley Sling. If you notice, we don't have a cover plate on this. We never have. We'll always send with nylon banding. You can get a nylon seamer. It's a lot less than having steel and corner protector. If the material is painted, what we'll do is we'll put paper in between, but when it's just pure galvanum, there's no separation on the different links. Over here, we have a 21-foot Thalmann folder, ZR125, with a AMS controller. Over here is our ag panel with a worm gear drive. It has a stacker. I don't believe in stackers because the operator's standing there anyways. You'll see when we run the R panel over here that we don't use a stacker. To our left is the R panel. It's a 23 station R panel with a post cut and a pre-cut. We use 21-foot tables for our trim, and the tables are easy enough for one operator to move them. And what will happen is when you slit the width, cut the length line, it'll go right over to the folder to bend it. Our upbender's right here. And as you can see, we got the two decoilers set up right here for the R panel, the slitter, and then right around the corner we have it for the ag panel. Pan back over here. Over here we have the racks. They'll hold 80,000 pounds on them. We always use magnets with vinyl coating and wrapped in on the edges with duct tape. That way it's real quick to slap them and you don't leave any scrap. The key on a shop like this is run to order. We never try to stock. We're making today what we're shipping in 24 hours or less. This is our scrap bin, and as you can see, we don't have any scrap. Just a little bit, but that's been over a week. Now we're going to be showing loading up a QXS 16C and then going right to the slit to width, cut the length line. The film applicator is for a customer that likes to have flat blanks, and so we'll run flat blanks with film on it so it protects the sheets. But every other job that we run without film on. So what happened is he's doing a knife change. Control asked him to rotate the knives. When you separate the knives, they don't slit. When you bring them together, they slit. It's a red scale on there, as you can see. Electric eye finds 0, stops within 1/8 of an inch or an inch, does a trim cut for him if he wants. The control asks you how to have it. Stanley always does a trim cut. As you can see, he's wearing the right hat, Georgia Tech, great school. Control told him to raise the knives, so now it'll feed out. He's doing ridge cap, and now he's going to switch to another piece of trim. What I'm trying to show you is the speed of changing out and how quickly you can do it. So he just did 30 feet of ridge cap. Go back to table up. It's a half moon cap with the shaft, and the knives will perfectly align. There's less than half a thousandths clearance between the knives and the shaft. Electric eye catches it. It asks him to do a trim cut. Brings it forward. Now he's doing some rake, residential rake. He's doing 40 feet of this for this job. Then he's done. Now you see the 23 station R panel. He's rolling it through. This is the setup. He's jogging it through the stations. Turn the decoiler on so the dance arm would work. Stanley. You see the encoder right there, and you zero it out, do a trim piece. Now he's got these portable stanchions that he sets up just to run the R panel. Very simple. Just run out that whole coil, right? Just run it out. Very quiet machine. It's got a hydraulic shear with electric motor for driving it. It's running 110 feet a minute. can see how flat the panel is going through the Rollformer. Pinch roller in the very beginning. There's the pinch roller. In-feed guides, front cut right there. Okay, now we're going to go to the folder. He's running 10-foot 3 pieces. He's got a piece of that vinyl magnet on there just to protect the upper beam. Control walks you right through how to bend the piece. Doing a rake. You can see the torsion shaft underneath here. When he bends up, it'll show it. Go to ridge cap after this. You can see how quickly it changed over to a ridge cap.